All right, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So I have information to share with us. Reverend Father Mbaka made a comment that is trending everywhere. A lot of people are saying all manner of things simply because of the prophecy of Mbaka in the past. Some says that how can he, why is he now talking about this current government? What about the one he's talked about in the past? Oh, he told us that who both of them man is a Messiah. He said that Buhari is this and that. Everybody have right to say what they want to say. All right. I am not here to defend Father Mbaka as a Catholic priest. You all know that I'm a Catholic, proud one. But the only thing I want you to understand is that I'm a kind of person that stands on the truth. It doesn't matter what one may think about it. But in as much as the truth that you are saying is worth saying, I think there's nothing wrong to say that, isn't it? And to some of you criticizing Mbaka, what you don't know it. I'm not here telling you that Mbaka no. But at least let us be frank. This issue of tax that he decided to react or comment on it is what he said. Is it true or not? That's what you should need to ask yourself. Is it true or not? It is true. A lot of hardship, people are going through pains, people are wondering how to survive, and a lot of challenges that comes with it. We saw what happened in National Assembly, the so-called bill that the Tinubu signed. And I don't, sometimes I don't want to talk about the way they're running day-to-day activities of Nigerian government, because I knew that everything is just a mess. They're doing all they can to make it look like they're actually doing something reasonable, but you can tell that there's nothing meaningful, nothing sensible from what they're saying. So please, let us just understand ourselves here. I don't want to blame anybody about what Mbaka said, because I've seen some people reacting on it negatively. Oh, the way Mbaka talk about it, like Lizzie Kano, the way Lizzie Kano reacted on her own, trying to react. You are reacting, but you don't even understand the context of what Mbaka is trying to say. You have hatred on him, okay? Obedient people, of course, don't like him because he disagree with the P2B and all that. They said that when during the time of P2B, they say he's a fake pastor, he's a fake man of God. But everything he said about P2B is not playing out now. Is he not playing out? Do you know that even if P2B contests again, tendency of him losing more than he lost before is high? Even though you know that he won the election, but they're gonna deal with him more than what they did in the past. So there's no two ways about it. Now I have this video with me, which we are gonna go through it. Father Mbaka sent a powerful message to Nigerian President Bola Tinubu. There is nothing wrong with paying tax, but in a time like this, imposing tax on people is like wickedness. Even if every governor joined the APC, you will fail. But he said it under probability. What he said, you're gonna hear it here, so that it's not be as if they are quoting the back of a button, because that is not exactly what he said actually. But we are gonna listen to that and do justice to that. So let's pay attention.
Mr. President, people may not be so courageous to tell you this, but I'm telling you that if you are not careful, even if everybody is in APC, that doesn't guarantee your continuity. There's nothing wrong with people paying taxes, but in a time like this kind of taxation imposition is like wickedness meted to the people. It is like a tyrannical imposition. What can you do? We there's nothing wrong with paying of taxes. But those who are going to pay taxes, what are they doing? What has the government provided for them? How many of them have been given jobs? The little they got out of sweat, they're going to pay tax from that. There is a level of hardship that will be in the country, and the anger of God will be upon the government. Mr. President, people may not be so courageous to tell you this, but I'm telling you that if you are not careful, even if everybody is in APC, that doesn't guarantee your continuity. Who guarantees your continuity is the Lord. And they say in Latin, vox populi, vox Dei. The voice of the people is the voice of God. Things are too hard. Things are too unbearable. The poor masses are dying. We can't boast of quality hospitals for the poor masses. The rich will be sick and travel abroad. We can't even boast of quality education for the poor masses. The rich people are in quality schools. Eating 3 meals a day nowadays is a big problem. Are these people going to pay taxes from where? It is asking a hen to urinate. This is Okuko Yomahe. If you can listen to people like us, if you can listen to people like us, it's not a matter of Senate have approved, the House of Reps have approved, the governors have approved. Mr. President, listen, things are too hard. And the naira in our hand has lost a lot of values. People are suffering. How do we better the conditions of these poor masses? Tax, 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 tax. The magnitude of the tax collection vis-a-vis job provision are unquantifiable and unqualifiable. The poor masses are inhaling the order of wickedness. That is how they interpret it, that the government is wicked. This is the feeling of the people. You know, I represent the poor masses. Both Christians and Muslims, everybody is crying. Things are too hard. By now, the government should be planning on how to cushion the effect of the problems in the lives of the poor masses. And you know, the poor masses control not less than 80% of the country. They are not happy. Pay this, pay this, pay this, pay that. Subsidy having been removed. The pain is still in the heart of the people. And now, they are going to begin to pay taxes. Millions of our youth have no jobs. That's why kidnapping and all these iniquitous atrocities are being committed in the country. Banditry here and there. The poor masses are not taken care of. A hungry man. A hungry man. So I am pleading with Mr. President. There is no other better place to express my feeling apart from here. I am not among the House of Reps or Senators or Governor. I am just a prophet of God expressing my feeling for my people. When the people begin to cry and cry, God, we begin to feel their pain. And the anger of God can come down. Please, Mr. President, consider this your taxation thing. Nothing is permanent. No leader, you will be there forever.
Which is true.
Before you know it, the tenure will be over. Many Nigerians are dying. Go to mortuaries. Some mortuaries have no space again. Slump and die here and there. Parents who, after suffering to take care of their children in school, the children have no jobs. Now they're going to pay taxes. The little money these children get, they will pay taxes from there. But now the government should be encouraging the youth. As I said, paying taxes is nothing wrong. But a time like this, it is the wrong timing for the people to be classified in this time and kind of the species of taxation. People building all the roads is what the leaders want to do.
For when?
But who will walk on the roads?
Exactly.
People may be doing this silently in pain, not because they like it. Ndị jisi ike kụcheta ọsụsọ bite ego bido nwa biznes ha ga-eji tax megide. I know you people want to do it like in abroad, like in America, no trouble. If you learn how the bird sings, learn also how the bird flies.
Exactly.
If you want to do it like people in abroad, put the country the way life is in abroad.
Period.
I don't know why our leaders can be comfortable when the children who they are leading are crying, suffering, and dying. I pray that our leaders should have human hearts, be compassionate, be sympathetic, and be empathic. Otherwise, before you know it, even if God allows you to be there for 8 years, after 8 years, what next? What next? Where is Buhari today?
Gone.
All these
Gone
things
and
are
dusted.
rubbish. Listen to the cries of the people. God is not happy because the children are not happy. Look at our young ladies. Many are jobless, many have nothing doing, and many are moving into prostitution because of hardship. Some of them are the breadwinners in the family. With what? The only hope the poor man has is God. Please, my beloved ones, don't lose hope in God. This God can never fail us. He has never failed. But remember to pray for me. You know, no matter how I say it, they will attack it.
Which is true.
Mbaka the West, they will even misquote it. But I am addressing the message to Mr. President. People president is ours is that. He marry, he made sure again. Men of God are suffering. Imams are suffering. The children of God are suffering. People now find the church as the only hope. Tax, tax. Ndị keke ifo ga-esa awụ ha ka ụkpana. Ịjọ ndị were arụ ha bara iche. Why many of them are on higher purchase? Sorry, let nobody say, Mbaka could have come to tell us this. When I am here, the Spirit of God controls me. Even if I don't want to say it, I will see myself saying it I will be hearing it the way you're hearing it. So I'm just like a microphone. You better leave a legacy of love. Your people should love you after your leadership. This draconian rubbish that is called rulership and not leadership is punishable from heaven. Ndị na-achịkwa ka obi dị ha. Ihe ga-enye ego na abụrụ tax buru ibu. There are many areas that can get money. So I am pleading with the leaders. I came back and met people who are malodorous, who are smelling with the odor of hardship, with the tears on their cheek. If the leaders will not answer them, God will answer them.
Yes, sir.
I am back. Nke a maka ndị na-achị biko jisikwa n'ike asịsị kwụba jisike kwụọ mee ọ ị ga-emenwu maka na ihe a bụ ọnwụnwa bịara ọnwụnwa nnukwute ọnwụnwa mana a ga-emeri. Soldier comes, soldier goes.
Barak remain.
Because time is coming when they should ask some people like us who will not tell them lies, what are the feelings of the people? I move around the streets. Instead of Monday for security, at times I use keke and move around. I am with the people. So if anybody will tell you the truth, I am the one. Because time is coming when we shall say, apart from region of election, as to why I go with the lady, the anger of the poor masses can invite death. The joy of the poor masses can invite death. Choose one. When you are again. We cover this message with the blood of Jesus.
Blood of Jesus Christ.
I shield myself with the blood of Jesus. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you.
Same. All right. Tell me what you think about it. Do you agree or disagree? What is your take on this? Because I have seen some people, many people reacting differently. They always connect it backward to the prophecy of good luck as a bad luck and all that. If you know, you know. Please, I can't wait to hear from you. Let me know what you think about it. God bless you. Take care. Bye for now.